Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I've got my camera zoomed in, so my hands are going to look huge. Sorry about that. But I'm going to decorate a spread in my mini dashboard layout happy planner for Monday, July 17th through the 23rd. I'm going to use these mini sticker sheets that are available in my shop. These are called Carefree, and I think the mini sticker sheets are just the perfect fun size sticker sheets for the mini happy planner. So let's get started with some corner stickers. We're going to try to make this spread quick and easy. We'll see how that goes. I did find some coordinating washi that is, I hope and think, is going to be really cute. And then I think I'm going to use just some zig dot markers or some Artist Loft dot markers to make some bullet points instead of using boxes. I do have my air conditioner on in the background. I apologize. It's hot again this week, and so it is what it is. Alright, let's white out July. I probably should just always leave July and just let my clear sticker cover it, because it's not that big of a deal to me. Oh, I wanted to show you my so this is a Moterm cover, and I believe this is called a B6 cover. So it actually came with like little strings in it, and I had to kind of cut down some of my clear covers, because if you put just a regular mini cover in here, your planner is not going to close all the way. But if you put it on mini discs and then you kind of cut down a cover or something just to hold it in place, it fits like perfectly inside of this little Moterm B6 Traveler's Notebook cover. And it just looks so pretty in, you know, as an on-the-go, in your purse type planner. So I actually have had this for probably a couple years, and I never used it because when I was using one, I was using like a taupe color. Anyways, I forgot about it, and so when I moved into my new office here back in May, I found it and I vowed to use it. So I'm using it. So anyways, okay. So we got top corners finished. I think I'm going to do like opposites and do bottom corners the opposite of what was in the top corners. And then maybe add some more florals here and there. We'll see. Let's just kind of see where we get with this part. I laid that crooked, but it's okay. Okay. Alright. So now I think that I may take, so I've got a lot of yellow up here, so I think I'm going to take like this, actually this one, and I'm going to cut it in half. Well, actually, let's just lay it down and then I'll cut it right here. You can see where I just hand wrote in some of my plans for last week. Alright, and then we're going to just continue across the top here. And then I think I'm going to do the same thing over here, and then put washi on the other sides. I don't know. We'll see. My camera is saying that there's somebody in my front yard, and I'm in my front yard. Oh no, that's the wrong camera. My landlord was out of town all week last week, and so I took one of my cameras off the front of my office here, which is in the front yard, or not in the front yard, but anyways, I had that camera facing the front yard. So he asked me if I would use one of my cameras and take it and move it closer to his property so that I could keep an eye on it with my like motion detection. And so I did. So it just confused me for a second. I was thinking somebody was in my front yard, but it's because the camera's labeled front yard, but it's actually his house. So anyways, that was just my little blunder moment there. Trying to figure out what to do here. I think I'm going to just continue along the top like that. And so we're going to cut this and then use it to fill in that other little empty spot. And I need to cut down here. Ah, I didn't cut that very good. Okay. Alright, so now look how pretty that is. So now we'll take the washi before I get too far ahead of myself and forget. Take the washi, come down here. I think I'm going to have to white out this. I'm going to have to white out this quote down here. I don't like that. Okay. Alright, and so now let's just take, oh phooey, I forgot I whited out right there. Now I kind of want a box. I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use some of these longer boxes. So I have an appointment on, I actually have an appointment on Tuesday and Wednesday, but I don't want boxes side by side. So we're going to put that one on Wednesday, and then we'll take, I'm not going to put any pink because I already have the pink washi and there's enough pink in the florals. So I'm just going to do Wednesday and Thursday, and then maybe I'll grab a quote. I don't like that. I don't like it overlapping the line there, so we're going to fix that. Okay, and now I think I'm going to do the same thing over here. I might just use bigger boxes. So let's use the green and the yellow bigger boxes. And I think I'll do, I'm going to cover up looking ahead. And I think we'll go this way with it. Just need to do a little bit of whiting out. So we're going to white this out. And then we'll white out to there. Alright, and then I think I'm going to put a little floral like in here somewhere. Maybe there. So let's try this. What should I do here? I'm going to cut this. And then I think I'm going to just peel up this green sticker and lay on top. And I'm just going to take the rest of this little teeny bit and just stick over here, just so I'm not wasting any. Cute, cute. Alright, so I think this spread turned out super cute. This was a very quick video. I'm super proud of myself for that. I do need to punch this hole. So let me grab my crocodile punch. This is a single disc hole punch by We Are Memory Keepers. I think I've got this listed down in the description box below, like a link on Amazon. I got mine from Michael's. I ordered it online. Shipping was pretty fast, but that's been a while ago. So anyway, let's put it back in my planner. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure that if you have an Instagram account that you're following me over there as well. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye guys.